Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making creamy Dalgona coffee. This is a very simple recipe. You only need a handful of ingredients. I'm going to be using coffee, about 2 tablespoons for 2 servings. We're also going to add 2 spoons of sugar and 2 spoons of water. After we have all of our ingredients, we're going to whisk this by hand. After 1 or 2 minutes, you can see the mixture is much more creamier than before. In the meantime, I'm also going to take out some ice. Now that the coffee is ready, much more fluffier and creamier, we're going to start assembling. I'm going to start off by adding some ice to our cup. I'm also going to add some caramel syrup. This is optional. You can use any other flavors as you want. Now I'm adding whole milk. You can now add the coffee on top, depending on how much you want. I'm just going to give this a quick mix, and then we're going to add some whipped cream, and we have our coffee. As you can see, this is a very simple and easy recipe, and do give it a try. It is definitely better than Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know how it was in the comments below. Thank you for watching my video, and keep supporting my channel. I'll see you in my next one.